Hello, everyone. My name is Nathaniel Vilandre. I was a theater major and communications minor at Merrimack College. I graduated in 2016. The best part about the Merrimack theater major was the opportunity to figure out exactly what I wanted to do. In my 4 years, I participated in 16 plus shows and participated in a variety of ways. I directed, stage managed, acted, dramaturged, and produced over that time and really honed my interests. Truly the best part of the theater major was the mentorship I received from Kathleen Sills, who I still keep up with these days. In fact, her mentorship led me to where I am in my career now. She guided me towards some internships that I did over my 4 years at Merrimack that helped me understand exactly what I wanted to do post-grad. One of the things about Merrimack that I love the most is that the theater higher education field is very competitive. You have your Ivy Leagues and your Northwesterns, your Emersons. But with Merrimack, I felt that I could really carve out my own path. Initially, that competition made me turned off to theater, and I entered Merrimack as a history major. After working with Kathleen in the department over the first few months of my freshman year, I eventually felt comfortable going into theater, and it led me to where I am today. Some of my favorite things to do when I wasn't studying was I worked in the athletics department for 4 years while I was at Merrimack. And it gave me an opportunity to learn some really great communication and media skills while going to events that I would have anyways. But otherwise, I was usually somewhere around the Rogers Center, up to some shenanigans with the rest of the theater majors. Something interesting about myself, I do a lot of puppetry on the side, mostly theatrically. I was recently part of the production management group that worked on the Broadway production of King Kong. That production was most known for its 2-ton monkey puppet that, was the biggest part of the production. It was a marionette-style gorilla that, was used to play King Kong. But normally I'm used to Hensonography, which is most known through the Muppets or Sesame Street. But since Kong, I've gotten a little bit more into marionettes. And currently I'm the director of production at the Weston Playhouse in Weston, Vermont. We're Vermont's oldest theater. And we produce 7 shows over the summer and fall. Musicals, plays, and we do rock concerts in the wintertime for the tourists that come to ski. And it's been a really great time working with some of the top talent of the industry. So thankfully I was able to get a really great baseline knowledge and experience while working at Merrimack.